Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith here in for Rob. It is Monday, December 5th, 2022. Hope you're doing well. All right, what I wanted to show you today is just a couple things here on SPY on the daily chart. Okay, I'm using Hackenacci candles. And today's candle, as the market's still currently running, is showing a red Hackenacci. Price is actually down today as well, right? The white line here is the open of price. This is where it currently is at. Again, this is still during live market hours, so that can change. But you can see we're getting a red Hackenacci candle. What Rob had mentioned in his last video is that from looking at his fish hooks, that if it opened up with the fish hook continuing up, right, we could be continuing to the upside in this case, as he said, or if the fish hook starts curving back down, then we're looking for opportunity back to move down. Well, if I go then into a 1 hour Hackenacci chart, you can see that today from Hackenacci on an hourly standpoint, okay, we've been continuing down on the hourly chart. Also to note, very, very popular, if you have flat tops here, meaning no wick Hackenacci candles, and we had what, 6, 7 of these in a row, that's a negative move. Okay, that's a move to the downside. So from a SPY standpoint, we're getting a retracement. It'll be interesting to see if it comes and backs to this roughly, what is it, 394 level, if we bounce and go higher, or if we then continue down. But as I go back to the daily chart, clean up this mess here. Again, you can see today's candle is typically to the downside. Now, one thing about Hackenacci is typically I don't get too excited about one red candle. Okay, when I get 2 red candles, then typically I'll start looking for potential trend changes. So in this case, we're still in an uptrend. As a swing trader, my bias is still to the upside. What I do is look to try to get some moves like this where you get several red in a row. Okay, you can see here is we had a couple things here. Okay, this is my HADS indicator, which is Hackenacci Delta Smoothing. It got to an extreme position, and then it started turning over, and then so did price. Okay, same thing back here, so did price. And then back here, you can see started going higher, so did price. So at this point, HADS is not significant, giving you directional movement at this point. But what I look for when I'm doing my trading with Hackenacci folks is I look to get small losses. So that way, if the trade doesn't work out, I have specific rules on when I enter and exit, but I'll also get some small wins, right? And then my goal is to get some of these larger wins. Okay, when you get those larger wins and you have small losses and small wins, you can see how that can potentially then grow your account. Now, for example, I want to show you an opportunity here. Again, just showing you my Hackenacci system. Let's quickly go over this. So as you can see here, first thing to note, looking at my HADS indicator, which again, this is an indicator that you've probably never seen before. It's a customized indicator that it really focuses on Hackenacci and the height of the Hackenacci candles and the strength. Right here, you see how weak this was, and it's furthest from the entire chart. Then we started heading higher. The entry is on the green Hackenacci trend advanced dot right here. And when do I exit the trade? Well, I exit the trade on a red dot. So in this particular case, if I was in this trade, I still would be. There's no exit point as there's no red dot. Where would a stop been as you get into the trade? You can look at the swing point here. And so again, small loss potential at this point for potential for bigger wins. That's the goal of my Hackenacci trading system. All right, if this is something that interests you folks, I'm going to be doing a special webinar this Wednesday, December 7th at 10 o'clock in the morning, 10 a.m. Eastern. And during this class, you can see here, we're going to be talking about Hackenacci, how you can use it to find higher probability opportunities, especially with my state-of-the-art scanner. We're going to talk about key trade ideas that you can implement in your trading right now. So this is stuff you can use right now at any time frame. Okay, I showed you daily because I was focusing on the swing trading right now. The Hackenacci system can be used on any time frame you wish. Okay, and it also works really good with some of Rob's work. And again, I'm very excited to share this with you on Wednesday at 10 o'clock. You go to becomeabettertrader.com/yes. So right up here, becomeabettertrader.com/yes, and then you can sign up and reserve your seat Again, 10 o'clock Eastern on Wednesday. I look forward to seeing you all there. And thanks again. Talk to you soon. Take care.